Assalamu alaikum. So this is the second video update for the final project of our object-oriented programming class. This is team Strike Back, and our team members are Bakhtawar, Laiba, and me, Sayyid Anas Ali. So since our first video update, the progress that we have done is that we have worked on a few classes. We have been able to load the player sprite on our screen, and so the classes that we have worked on is the player class. So all of the functionalities of our main player, that is that the plane would be able to go up and down, is enabled by that. Then there is the L texture class. This is holding in all the functionalities of loading the texture and the text to the screen. We will also be using SDLTTF functions in our game to render text to our screen, and that has also been called into our main function. Other than that, we also have created our game objects class that will render and will be able to hold all of the functionalities of the objects other than the main player. So yeah, these are the classes that we have worked on. By developing our player class, our plane is now able to move up and down as well. So I'm going to show you. So yeah, this is our plane, and as you can see, the sprite has been loaded, the size is fixed, and it's loaded on the screen, and you can, by using the arrow and down key, you can easily move the plane up or down. Yeah, so this is the progress that we have done. These are the classes that we have worked upon. There's a game object class that I've already told you, as it's already mentioned over here, and then there's the main function, and it's handling all the key events over here. The mouse events are also included because we will be using mouse later on in order to select a few options in our screens that will be loaded soon. So yeah, these in the next video, what we are expecting is that our screens will be loaded, and we might be able to render some text to it and create some options. For example, the instructions, as we have told you about in the first video. So we are expecting that to happen in the next video. Other than that, these are all the functionalities we have called the functions from the L texture class that is created over here to basically deal with all the rendering of the texture, all the calling in all the SDL functions, necessary SDL functions in order to load the sprites and other textures to the screen. So yeah, and as far as the contributions go, Bakhtawar has worked on the L texture class. Laiba has worked on the mPlayer class, and as a result of that, as you can see, the plane is loaded and is running on the screen. And I've worked on the game object class. It's not right now, it cannot be, the functionality of that class cannot be seen on the screen, but it will be inshallah ta'ala in the coming update.